So guys, again, I remind you, do not forget to do the writing. Do not forget to do the poems because on Saturday I have to correct them and I have to upload the grades on the application because next week they will distribute the report cards for semester 3. And
Yes, I'm gonna do the online after I finish all the online.
what?
I'm gonna do the poem when I finish all the online.
Okay. Okay.
Miss, I'm
Miss,
gonna
do
do
you know what
the
she did?
writing
Let
and
me finish.
poem today.
Guys, can you let me finish? Okay, it's good that you're trying to do your best. It's good that you're trying to finish your assignments. Bravo. So,
I did the poem. I just
yes,
want to do the
okay. Okay, so do not forget that tomorrow you have a quiz and you have to revise this lecture 4, week 33 for the quiz, okay? And with worksheet 3,
Miss, can you tell us which
okay?
day?
Okay, okay. So let's start now with the worksheet. Please stay muted. All of you stay muted. Do not unmute yourselves if I do not say your name, okay? Yeah, let's start with Alim Rui. You're the first name on my list. Alim Rui, where did you go, Emma? Ali? Ali, can you hear me, Emma? طيب Malak?
Yes.
يلا
Yes.
read the question and let's start.
Okay. Um, Complete each sentence using the words provided in parentheses.
Mhm.
Repetition. She learned how to walk with repetition.
Bravo, she learned, or the baby must, for example, you can say the baby learned how to work with the repetition. Thank you, Malak. Number 2, erode. We have to use erode to finish the sentence. Hala,
Good morning, Miss Liliana.
good morning, Zahra.
wind and water can erode the rocks.
Bravo, wind and water can erode the rocks. Thank you. Number 3, guys, I'm not going to write the answers now. The solution is uploaded on the application, okay? يلا. Number 3, علي تحيني. Ali,
Yes.
Ali, please, can you do number 3?
Number 3, formation. It can take many
Here.
years to
Did you solve the worksheet or no, ya Ali? Did you work on the worksheet?
grow.
No? So who has an answer?
Me.
Rasha?
Erode.
No, number 3, formation.
Yes. It can take many years to complete the formation of rifle
Of,
fuel.
of what?
Of fuel.
Fuel. Okay, okay. Good, good, good idea. Bravo. Thank you much. Yalla, let's move to part B now. Okay. Yalla, let's continue. Majid,
Yes, Miss.
come on, quickly. B.
Fill in the blank with a suitable word for the
Wait,
from the
the
bank
bank, I mean the
of
bank
dust.
of the vocabulary word.
Of dust could be seen in the sunlight. Particles of
Thank
dust
you.
could be seen.
Mahdi, Mahdi,
Yes.
continue. Number 2.
When rain comes in with very cold air, it freezes. Miss, these answers are from the text.
Miss, these are for the vocabulary words. You haven't done the worksheet, ya Mahdi.
Oh,
You have to complete with a suitable vocabulary word. So when rain comes in with very cold air, it freezes.
contact.
In contact. Thank you. Thank you, Emes. Okay. Thank you. Brahim. Brahim.
Yes.
Brahim, number 3, please.
Also,
I could see on the outside of the window.
I could see what on the outside of the window? Here's the sentence. We have particles, we have contact, we have visible, we have moisture. If you still remember the word. Guys, you haven't, how many times I told you guys, please solve the worksheet. Did you solve it, Ibrahim, or no? You solved it at home?
Miss, I know it.
Okay, what is it?
Moisture.
Moisture. Ibrahim, did you work on the worksheet, ya miss? Guys, all of you, did you work on the worksheet? How many
But I can't hear you very well.
I
Miss,
did
yes,
it. Yes.
Okay, let's continue.
I did.
Good, Tony. Please do not make noises. Sam, Tony. Sam. Sam, Tony. Sam. Okay. Rena. Rena. Rena.
Yes.
Come on, miss. What's
Yes.
wrong with you guys today? I'm calling your names for 3 to 4 times. Come on, number 4. Patterns are
Patterns are
in shapes found in nature.
Miss, I know it. It's easy.
This shows me that only 3 to 4 students have been working on the worksheet. And I know their names. Yes, Majid.
Miss,
What's number 4?
it's visible.
Visible. Thank you,
Visible.
Majid. Thank you. Guys, how many times I said that there is a participation grade? Zahra, number 5. Zahra. Zahra. Okay, Ihsan. Okay, Mahdi. Mahdi, number 5, please.
The beaver built a structure made of branches.
A structure. Thank you. A structure. Okay, thank you. Last one, number 6. Number 6, Muhammad Bistani. Muhammad. Muhammad. Good.
Yes.
Muhammad, please, number 6.
Over time, the weather will
The cliff.
miss.
Well, what? I'm waiting your answer. Yeah, miss. Will what? Will do what for the cliff?
Miss, can I say
I
it?
know. Miss, can I?
Miss, can I?
Ibrahim?
Yes.
Okay.
Erode.
Erode. Will erode. Will erode. Bravo, Ibrahim. Okay, thank you. Bravo, Ibrahim. Good. Please, guys, revise the vocabulary words well for tomorrow. Okay? Please revise them. Now we move to the comprehension skill, which is very important to remember the main idea and details. Do not forget to revise the explanation on the lecture. Okay? So in exercise C, we have a paragraph and I have a group of words, which one of them expresses the main idea and the other two expresses the details. Okay? ماجد. يلا. ماجد. ماجد.
Miss me حلا.
حلا. يلا يا حلا. Read the paragraph first.
Advertising
Advertising.
advertising affects our lives every day. Brand names
are common household words.
Words.
We start each day using the toothpaste, soap, and breakfast. Foods promoted by advertisers.
Advertisers. Advertisers.
Advertisers.
Advertisers.
Ads have made the cars we drive signs of our success.
Yes.
Even our choices of food, dress, and entertainment are swayed by ads.
Okay.
Food promoted by adverse.
Advertisers.
Sorry, miss.
Advertisers.
Advertisers. That's a detail.
It's a detail. Okay. Continue.
Advertising
Advertising.
advertising affects of our daily life.
Main idea. This is the main idea. We're talking about how advertising affects our daily life.
Co- Cars are signs of our success. Detail.
Detail. Okay. Now we move to another paragraph about the main idea and details, but here we have to fill in the organizer. We have an organizer, a certain organizer that expresses the main idea and the supporting details. So we have to read the
Miss,
paragraph. Just a second. We have to read the paragraph. Then we have to write the main idea and write three supporting details. Three supporting details. Pay attention. We have examples on details. Okay. Mahdi, read it.
Yellowstone National Park is mainly located in Wyoming.
Yeah.
Although 3% is located in the state of Montana, the continental divide of North America runs diagonally through the southwestern part of the park. The park sits on Yellowstone
Plateau. Plateau.
which is an average elevation of
Elevation.
8,000 feet above sea level. This plateau is bounded on nearly all sides of mountain ranges. There are 290 waterfalls that are at least 15 feet in the park, the highest being the lower falls of Yellowstone River, which
Oh,
falls 308 feet.
okay. So, what's the main idea of this paragraph?
The Yellowstone National Park.
What about the Yellowstone National Park? I want what is mainly talking about the Yellowstone National Park.
Where it's located.
About its location. And where did you get the main idea, yeah, Mahdi, from?
From the topic sentence.
From the topic sentence. The first sentence shows me the main idea. So guys, if you'd like to write the first sentence as a main idea, it's correct, 100% correct. If you want to write from Yellowstone to Wyoming, it's also correct. And if you would like to write it in your own words, like for example, you say the main idea is the location of Yellowstone National Park, or where Yellowstone National Park located, is also correct. So you have two ways to write the main idea, either in your own ways, or if you'd like to copy the topic sentence, it will also be correct. Okay? So now Mahdi is enough. Let's have another student to give us the first supporting detail about the main idea.
Okay.
Who wants to give me the first supporting detail? Rasha?
Yeah. Yes.
A supporting detail. A detail that supports the main idea that Mahdi mentioned.
He mentioned the characters.
Not which characters. We're talking
I
about
mean, where it's located.
Mas he said the main idea is the location of Yellowstone National Park. That's right, because in the paragraph we're talking about this park and its location. Okay, this is the main idea mentioned in the topic sentence. In the other sentences, they mention details, the supporting details. Okay, give me one detail from the paragraph.
Okay. There are 290 waterfalls that are at least 15 feet in the park.
Okay, this is first. Okay, this is one detail. Thank you, ya Rasha. Thank you. Okay. Who else? Malak? Malak, this is a detail, okay? Malak, give me another detail.
Yes, miss.
Give me another detail.
Okay. Um, the park sits on the Yellowstone Plateau.
Bravo, this is another detail. Excellent. This is a second detail. Okay, thank you. I just need one more detail, guys.
Miss me.
Yes,
Me.
Ibrahim.
The continental
Continental,
divide of North America runs diagonally
diagonally,
through the
diagonally,
south
southwestern, through the southwestern part of the park.
part
Bravo,
of the park.
bravo, ya Ibrahim. So you gave me three details, and we even still have more details. This plateau is bounded on nearly all sides by mountain ranges. Guys, we're going to have a same exact exercise tomorrow in the quiz. You're going to have a short paragraph with the organizer to fill in. You have to fill in with the main idea and the three details. Do not forget that the main idea will figure it out from the beginning of the paragraph from the topic sentence, and the details follow the topic sentence. Okay, but pay attention not to add examples in the details. If you add an example in the details, then the example it will not be considered correct. Okay, guys?
Miss,
What?
is an average low. There's another one I wrote detail, which is an average
What?
elevation of 8,000 feet above sea level. Is this one
Okay.
an
If
idea?
if
The
if you
detail?
guys, Mahdi, if you say that the park sits on Yellowstone, this is a detail, and which is an average is another detail. No, they are the same detail. These two are the same detail.
Yes, I
Okay?
underlined both.
Okay, you put them in one box down,
Yeah.
not in two boxes. Okay, they will be considered one
Yes, I
detail.
did like this.
Okay, good, good, good. Excellent. Bravo. Now the last part, answer the questions by referring to your reading selection patterns of change. Quickly, let's answer the questions, then move to our grammar exercises. Okay?
Miss, can
Number
I?
one, yes, Majed. Guys, the solution
I
is
want
loaded on the
and
application, okay? You can find the solution on the application because you're not going to have time now to copy answer. يلا Majed.
answer answer the question below by referring to your reading selection patterns of change. Based on paragraph 1, what causes rocks to change? The effects of water, wind, and temperature over long periods of time slowly transform one type of rock into another type
Why
of
are you
rock.
reading now paragraph 1? Do not read it, just give me the answer, ya Majid.
The effect of water, wind, and temperature
Okay, give it
causes rock to
cause.
change.
Okay, so the wind, water, and temperature causes rocks to change over long periods of time. That's the answer only. There is no other answer. Thank you, ya Majid. Bravo, Miss. Thank you. Okay. Number two. Number two. Who wants to answer? No,
Me.
other than Mahdi, other than Majid, what are the others? This shows me that you haven't solved the worksheet, ya Miss. Those who are not participating, this shows me that you haven't solved the worksheet. Malak. Number two, ya Malak.
Yes, okay. Number
Two, by referring to paragraph
two,
3, 4.
explain how igneous rocks are formed. Okay. Igneous rocks are formed when magma reaches out the surface and change into lava.
Okay,
Then
so as
lava,
magma changes into lava. Hmm?
which is composed of minerals, turns into crystals when it cools down.
Mm-hmm.
After that, it hardens and turns into rocks.
Okay, bravo. So when I say by referring to paragraphs 3 and 4, I mean you have to take out the ideas from both paragraphs and write them in your own words, like Malak did now. Thank you, Malak. Number 3, define geologist based on page 196, not 169. I have wrote it wrongly. Yes, Mahdi.
Me.
Miss, can I do it?
Miss, can I?
I said Mahdi.
مين حدا؟
I said-
Mahdi, you said Mahdi?
Okay, let me choose a new student, Nazarhat. Who wanted to
مين؟
answer it at the beginning?
مين حدا؟
Hala.
مين حدا؟
Hala. يلا Hala.
بس مين؟
يلا Hala.
Biologists are scientists who study rocks.
Scientists who study rocks. That's it. Yes. Thank you. Number 4, identify the author's purpose, justify your answer. If you still remember the author's purposes that we explained before, the pie, what are
Miss,
the
can I do it?
purposes? What are
Can I
the
answer?
Let me
Persuade,
speaking first.
inform,
Asking
entertain.
Because it's
persuade, inform, or entertain. Persuade, inform, or entertain. That's right. So these are the 3 purposes. What's the purpose behind the text patterns of change? Majid,
to
inform,
perform, to
persuade.
inform,
Who said
to
persuade?
inform.
Is the writer trying to convince us with a certain,
No,
or a certain topic?
No,
No,
No.
he's trying to inform us.
he's just informing us. So,
inform,
yes,
to
and
inform.
we have to justify our answer. When we say inform, we mean that there is a topic that the writer is explaining and he's giving facts and evidence and reasons. So the author's purpose is to inform the reader since he explains a certain topic, providing evidence, facts, and examples. He's explaining a topic about rocks. And how did he explain it? He gave evidence, he gave facts, and he gave examples. Okay? So,
Okay.
so guys, you can check the answers again on page, sorry, on the on the application, sorry, on the application because I uploaded the solution. Now it's time to move to the grammar exercises. We solved the first exercise. We solved exercise A about linking verbs. Now let's move to exercise B, page 45 in your ISI grammar booklet. And I'm going to take a new student, Zahra. 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 Rena.
Yes.
Come on, Rena.
Um,
Read, please.
the linking.
Miss, where are you reading, Rena? Read each sentence and
Number
underline.
1.
Okay, read each sentence and underline the linking verb. First of all, you have to read the question. You read the sentence, then you underline the linking verb. Then you write the predicate noun on the blank line. Okay? There is
Okay.
here he said predicate noun. Yes. Number 1, Helena.
The linking verb is
Rena,
driveway.
there are 2 cars in the driveway. There are 2 cars in the driveway. Okay, what is the linking verb first? What is the linking verb? Are. Okay.
Are.
Okay, this is the linking verb. What is the predicate noun that renames the subject?
Cars.
Cars. So we write cars on the line. Thank you, Aren. Thank you. Okay. Session14, can you answer now?
Can I?
Hani? Hani?
Miss, can I?
Miss, I want a new student.
Yes,
I want those
miss.
who haven't participated. Yalla ya Hani, number 2.
There are millions of stars in the sky. Or
What is the linking verb?
Or
Are. Okay, what is the predicate noun? Where is the predicate noun?
stars.
Stars. Thank you, Yahan. Ali Fhini. Ali Fhini.
Yes.
Come on, number 3.
This hair bow is from France.
What is the linking verb?
Is
Is. What is the predicate noun?
what?
Predicate noun. Is there a predicate noun?
France?
Yes. What?
Oh, hair?
Hair. The predicate noun comes in the predicate. Is there a predicate
Bow.
noun here? Miss, in the predicate. It comes in the predicate, which means after the linking verb. Is there a predicate noun here?
France?
No, here there is no predicate noun. There is no word that renames the subject. There is no word that renames the subject. Okay, so we do not add anything here. Number 4. Number 4.
Miss Mika.
Majid.
Okay. There
There,
is plenty
there,
of
not
pizza
that.
left.
There. There is.
There is plenty of pizza left.
Mhm.
Is linking verb,
verb,
and pizza is
a
the
noun.
predicate noun.
Thank you. Pizza is the predicate noun. Okay, Rasha.
Yes, miss.
Number 5.
Mr. Smith is a doctor. Is the linking verb and doctor is the noun.
Predicate noun. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Can I?
Yalla Mahdi.
Pavarotti was a great singer. Was is the linking verb and singer is the predicate noun.
Thank you. Who else? Who wants to participate?
Me.
Yalla.
J.K.
Rowling.
Rowling is an excellent author.
Miss, can I?
Is a linking verb.
Where is the predicate noun?
There is no
If there is no. J.K. Rowling is an excellent author.
author.
Author. Thank you.
Miss,
Malak?
can I?
Yes.
Okay. My son became a professional soccer player.
Where is the linking verb?
Became.
Became, yes.
And the predicate noun is player.
Player, bravo. Thank you. Thank you, Amala. Bravo. Okay, guys, let's move on. Number C. Read each sentence and underline the linking verb, then write the predicate adjective on the blank line. Now the predicate adjective. Adjective. Okay? Yalla. From the beginning. Mahdi.
Those gloves are very pretty. Are is the linking verb and the predicate is pretty.
Adjective.
Predicate adjective.
Pretty. Thank you. Yalla.
Miss,
Hala.
can I solve the second one?
Hala. I said Hala. Yalla. When I finish from Hala. Hala. طيب ماجد number 2 please.
Yes. Yeah, y'all.
يلا يا
Miss me
حلا.
or Hala?
يلا حلا then ماجد hurry up.
Miss, I can't see the screen. مش مبينة.
طيب يلا ماجد.
The new movie was too boring. Was is the linking
What is the predicate adjective?
and boring.
Boring. Thank you. Thank you. Soaring is the predicate.
Welcome.
Okay. يلا حلا, now is it does it can you see the screen, the page on the screen?
ماشي لا
She left. طيب okay. يلا number 3, our picnic is a disaster. Where's the linking verb, guys?
is
Is. Where is the predicate adjective?
disaster.
Disaster. Disaster. Thank you, guys. Okay, number 4.
My sister looks proud of the salad she made.
That she made.
Mhm. Where's the linking verb?
Proud.
Linking
There,
verb.
there's no
Of.
linking verb.
If there is no
Means there's
linking
no
verb,
linking.
how comes there is
Of.
no linking verb?
Of.
Look, what did we explain yesterday? The verbs that are related to the senses are also called linking verbs. Looks is a linking verb.
Oh,
Where's the
yes,
predicate
yes.
adjective?
Forgot.
Where's the
Proud.
proud? Proud. That's right. Proud. Okay. Bravo. 5. My father seems nervous about the weather. Where's the linking verb?
Seems.
Seems.
Where's the adjective?
Nervous.
Nervous.
Seems and nervous.
Nervous. Thank you. Okay. Let's move on. You can solve the rest of them. Let's move on to part D.
Read each sentence.
Write the
With
action
the
verb on the
action
line provided.
not on the line provided.
We have to write the action verb.
The farmer scattered seed on the ground.
Scatter. Scatter.
Ground is a verb. Who said the ground is a verb?
No, I don't know.
Okay, scatter
I
is
said
the action
scatter.
verb. Okay, thank you. Number 2.
The
The
chickens race
chickens
across
race
the yard.
across the yard. Race.
Great. Guys, others, if you want to stop. Okay, please, Mahdi and Majid, be quiet now. Be quiet, Mahdi and Majid. Okay, Rasha. Rasha, number 3.
Yes. Lie.
The verb is lie. The cows lie in the corner of the field. Thank you. Malak, number 4.
Miss, can I?
Hani.
Yes.
Can I?
Malak then Hani. Malak then Hani.
Okay. The cows lie
Number
in
4.
the corner.
Number 4. One of the horses.
One of them trots into the woods.
Where is the action?
Trots.
Trot. Thank you. Hani, number 5.
A rabbit dashes from a hole in the yard.
In the ground.
Dashes.
Dashes. Okay. Guys, you can solve the rest by yourself. Let's move to exercise E now. Read each sentence, circle the action verb, and write if it's in a present or past tense on the line. We have just to say if it's the present or past, okay, for the action verb.
Okay.
Okay. Yalla. Hani, number 1.
The students
Hurried down the hall.
hurried down the hall.
Where is the action verb? Hurried.
Pass.
Hurried. Pass. Thank you. Pass. Thank you. Hala.
Me.
Hala. Number 2. Hala.
Their teacher
Lead
leads
them to the theater.
to the theater.
Okay, what is the action
Lead.
verb? Lead. Present or past?
Present.
Present. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Ibrahim.
It's me.
Ibrahim.
The principal waits for the for them on the stage. Waits.
Wait. Present or past?
Present.
Present. Thank you. Majid, number 4. Quickly, please.
Miss me?
Majid.
Oh, yes.
She announced. She announced.
Yes, she announced that the show will begin now.
Miss, can I?
Announced. Present or past?
Miss, can I, honey?
Past. Just a second, Yahan. Okay, guys, you can do the rest by yourself. We still have one question we have to talk about. The last question asked. Yalla, Yahani. Honey, in each sentence, underline the helping verb and circle the main verb. Honey,
She was
she was
the
racing.
helping.
Okay, was is the helping, that's right. Okay, what is the
And
main verb? She was racing
what's
in a
this word?
wheelchair race.
Raking?
Racing. Racing.
Yeah, raking is the
Racing. سه. Racing.
rating.
Race سه يا هاني. Sing. Racing.
Race.
Okay, thank you يا هاني. Thank you. يلا علي طحينة. Quickly please guys. علي.
Yes.
Number 2 يا مس. Sarah had joined
Sarah had joined the wheelchair athlete
club.
club. Had
Had is what? Helping or main?
helping
Helping. What is the main verb?
joined.
Join. Thank you. Okay. Hala. Number 3, please.
Mary and Larry have been helping Mr. Anderson.
Mhm.
Have
Have is what?
have is the
Helping verb.
helping verb,
Mhm.
and helping is the main verb.
Been is what? Been is another helping
Also
verb.
has an
Also a helping verb.
Can I go now?
James should fix his bike. Should
Can I?
is helping verb and fix is the main verb. Guys, we're running out of time. You can do the rest by yourself. Okay?
Okay.